Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change the inbox view in your Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change the inbox view of your Gmail, you simply have to open Gmail in any of your browsers. I'm opening this shortcut in Chrome. Now, after opening Gmail, you just simply have to click on this setting button at the top. After clicking on the setting button, just simply scroll down a bit, and you can see this inbox type option here. You can select any of the inbox types here, and you can also customize the inbox tab after selecting them. There are many options for you. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your inbox type in Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.